What's up? This is Tridib, and you're watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib. In this particular episode, I will show you how you can create amazing abstract art as well as the art that might take hours when you are trying from scratch, when you are visualizing from scratch, but this time you are doing it with the help of AI. This particular video, I will be covering Midjourney in Discord, where the AI will actually help you to visualize a particular abstract art which you can guide the AI with a very simple prompt. Whatever you think in your mind, whatever you visualize, the AI will do it for you. So without much ado, let's get started. But before we deep dive, kindly like, share and comment on this video, and if you really find it important, then please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all our upcoming notifications. So without much ado, let's get started. So I will just show you. I started with a very simple prompt, which is like imagine prompt Nike, Adidas, Puma, Fila shoes as ice creams. Very silly prompt, but look how they have really tried to understand my query and create ice creams, colorful ice creams based on the prompt that I had given. Okay, my plan has a very fast render, so it will be not very in-depth render, very in-depth final output, but I can always upgrade it at a later time. So I somehow didn't like it, so I told them to readjust and understand my prompt better, and so what they have given, they have tried to readjust my understanding. I'm still not happy because the effect that I'm expecting from this particular um, shoes, I want it to be really like an ice cream, dripping ice cream from the shoes. Okay, so I changed my prompt a bit. What I did, I only concentrated on Nike, colorful Nike shoes as dripping ice creams. Well, now they are working. So the first one, you will see a lot of Nike shoes, and they are all dripping like a cone. They are having the shoe at the top, and all are dripping. If you see this particular shoe also, it has the shape of an ice cream, where all you can see, all the ice cream portions are dripping and moving, flowing from each other. This also has another one with scoops of ice cream inside the shoe, and this also is giving me a 3D feel of ice cream laid out in the form of Nike shoes and all these things. So I zeroed down more. I told it to upgrade. U1, U2, U3 are upgrades, and V1, V2, V3s are variations. I wanted it to have different variations of the first one, the second one, and the third one. I left the fourth one. I'm not too happy with the fourth one render. So it within seconds it gave me millions, means so many, four of the renders, which are quite nice. If you see all the shoes, they're dripping ice creams and all these things, but I felt it's too much, so I changed the prompt a little bit. If you see, the second one, the third one also gave some good dripping point, but now I've changed the prompt a little bit. I changed it into, if you see all this, see the quality of renders that they have done. Okay, amazing detail. So I changed the prompt to be more precise. One Nike shoe as dripping ice cream. Now it started giving the shape in a much better way. See the drips, the coffee type of ice cream, the chocolate type of ice creams that is forming the Nike shoes. It's a colorful rainbow shoe, and they're amazing. If you see, they're amazing. I again upgraded the first one, the third one, and the fourth one. So scroll down and see the particular third one, how they have upgraded. They have given me more variations, as well as they have given upgrades. Also, I have given the rainbow one has also come out quite nicely, but it is still lacking the detail. There are some drips I can see over here, but it is still lacking the thing that I am expecting out of it. I had asked this particular shoe, this particular chocolatey Nike shoes to be upgraded. This has also upgraded quite nicely. I will hold on to it, and because I'm still not getting what I'm actually expecting. So I took this particular rainbow and I started upgrading the things. See this particular rainbow which I have asked, the fourth one. See, now it is looking quite nice. It is shaping up quite well. Now see this particular one. This is amazing. See the drips. It is really looking like a eatable, a very much edible ice cream, which everybody will like. Colorful, dripping, juicy ice creams. Okay, and see these ones. These ones again, amazing, chocolatey, coffee wise. This is amazing. Okay, now I have taken two of them and I told them to upgrade to the maximum. Just see, it's pouring. There are bit of strawberry coming from here. There are blue color ice creams. There are drips of ice creams at the top. Amazing, amazing visualization by the AI. Just see, it has broken the sole and the top shape into two halves, and see the drips that is coming. Amazing renders, amazing renders. See, let us now just try um, giving a different shapes. I'm quite happy with these two things and I will save these things. This is amazing. Okay, so just see the quality of the render. I will just save it on my downloads at this moment. Say new folders and mid journey shoe renders. Amazing. And I will put my this render over here. Let's go back to the original one. I will again try a different brand. Say imagine prompt one Adidas shoe as dripping jelly. See, it is waiting to start, and within few seconds it starts. See, lovely. There are certain things that knowingly Midjourney does. They don't tamper with the actual logo. They somehow don't show the actual logo. They reverse it because of brand constraints. See, I could see some jelly formations are happening. 75%, 91%. See, if you see that how these things are getting rendered. So this is the final render. Let me see which one is more towards what I am expecting. I like the fourth one. I like the third one. I like the second one. I like the second one. I like the third one. So let's see. Let me render them. I will just skip the first one. I didn't like it so much. So I will upgrade these three and I will ask them to give me more variations. So now I am quite satisfied with this renderings. So we will try to upscale it. So once I click on the upscale to max, I'm really awed with their quality of rendering. When I upscale to max, what I get is this ones. So if you just open the original, you will see the detail over here. See the juicy, glossy jellies over here, which is dripping. One thing I miss over here is the missing of the Adidas logo over here, but that I can always superimpose when I really require it. Okay, so if we just go into this one, which is again upgrade to the max, just see the detail over here, see the detail of the red jelly that is flowing inside the shoe. There is also a subtle presence of the Adidas logo, but in a wrong direction. It is done on purpose. As well as, you see, if you want to see the coffee chocolate type of this thing, which I already upgraded, just see the quality of render over here. It's amazing, the flow is just amazing. Similarly, the other one of the Nike shoes that I've done over here, just see the quality. So that's all, folks. Hope you have liked this particular video and you have already started your creative juices flowing. You can understand that AI can do wonders if you can give the right prompt or the right direction to them. If your direction the AI engine is not understanding, they might come up with really funny stuff. And also you have to experiment a lot. Sometimes a group of things does not render too well, so you have to really understand whether you are creating one object or a group of objects, like that. More than two objects, the render engine does not work in a right way, which I have done, which I have seen over the months that I have been using Midjourney or dall-e. But what all said and done, this is a new age. AI is going to rule if you can guide it, you can rule it properly. The crux lies on your hand. If you can visualize it properly, your sky is the limit. So that's all, folks. Let us keep our creative juice flowing, as I have told, and till we meet again with some wonderful videos like this, goodbye and God bless.